Have you ever imagined a world powered by an endless supply of energy, where the lights never dim, the cars never stop, and everyone has access to clean, abundant electricity at all times? Welcome to the realm of so-called infinite energy sources theories, a topic that has captivated inventors, dreamers, and conspiracy theorists for centuries. Today, we're going to dive into the ideas, the science, and the myths surrounding the pursuit of limitless power. Before we get ahead of ourselves, let's set the stage. The laws of physics as we know them, particularly the laws of thermodynamics, tell us that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. In other words, the notion of truly infinite energy, something from nothing, runs smack into the wall of well-established scientific principles. Still, the human imagination has never been confined by the boundaries of known science. For centuries, inventors and thinkers have proposed devices known as perpetual motion machines. These are hypothetical mechanisms that, once started, would continue forever without any additional energy input. They range from wheels that supposedly turn on their own indefinitely to more complicated contraptions involving magnets, gears, and weights. The concept sounds enticing. After all, who wouldn't want free energy forever? But every single one of these proposed machines has failed under rigorous testing. They simply can't escape the fundamental rules of physics. So, if all perpetual motion machines are doomed to fail, why does the idea of infinite energy persist? Part of it has to do with our innate human desire for abundance and simplicity. Imagine a future without scarcity. No pollution, no resource wars, no economic limitations driven by energy costs. It's a compelling vision, and people love a good what if. Some theories also arise from frontier areas of physics. For example, there's the concept of zero-point energy, the idea that even in a perfect vacuum, quantum fields still possess a baseline level of energy. In theory, if we could tap into that somehow, we might have access to a vast, practically inexhaustible energy reservoir. But here's the catch. Our current understanding and technologies can't harness that energy in a net positive way. The zero-point energy field may be infinite in a mathematical sense, but that doesn't mean it's practically extractable, at least not with what we know today. Then there are speculative proposals involving advanced theoretical physics, such as using wormholes, harnessing black hole radiation, or capturing cosmic energy sources not yet understood. While these ideas are fascinating and can spark great science fiction, and occasionally spark serious scientific speculation, they remain well beyond our proven engineering capabilities. It's important to recognize that the pursuit of infinite energy hasn't been fruitless. The drive to find more efficient, more sustainable sources of power has led us to remarkable achievements. Solar panels, wind turbines, and nuclear reactors are far more capable and safer than anything we had a century ago. While not infinite, renewable resources like the sun's rays and the Earth's geothermal heat are, for human timescales, effectively limitless. The quest for perpetual energy may never yield a true infinite source machine, but it does push us toward cleaner, more abundant solutions. Ultimately, the infinite energy sources theory lives at the crossroads of science, imagination, and sometimes pseudoscience. It reminds us that humans are drawn to dreams of boundless possibility. Although the laws of physics insist on limitations, those very limitations inspire creativity and innovation. In chasing the impossible, we often discover the merely extraordinary. So, is infinite energy truly attainable? The short answer is, not with our current understanding of the universe. But the story doesn't end there, and maybe it never will. As we continue exploring the cosmos and deepening our grasp of quantum reality, who knows what the distant future holds? Thanks for joining me on this journey into one of the most captivating what-ifs of modern science. If you found this thought-provoking, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's to curiosity and to the power it has to fuel our next big breakthroughs.